This is going to be a quick video. Long story short, a buddy of mine has a cabinet shop that's not very far from me, and he called me and told me he had a bunch of strips of white oak that if I wanted them, he'd lay them beside the dumpster and I could come get them. So I said, absolutely, I'll take them. So we're going to grab this. The sun's going down. I'm going to have to cut these to fit in the car, but I'll just cut them in half and then we'll figure out what we're going to do with them later. All right, there they are. Look to be about anywhere from 1.5 inches to 3 inches wide, maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. Those will be nice. What do they got in the dumpster? I'm too short. Can you see? I may have to get in there and get some of that too. Well, now all I have to do is just get it into the car. We did it. Well, I made it home safe and sound. As you can tell, it was getting dark and I was in a hurry, so probably not my best video shoot. But hope you enjoyed that. So what do you think? What do you think we should try to make out of this stuff? It's all white oak, and whatever it is, it's going to have to be strips that are going to be put together to make panels. So I'm thinking maybe like a hallway table or something is kind of my thoughts. Let me know in the comments what you think. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you wouldn't mind on your way out, if you'd hit that subscribe button, I sure would appreciate it. Have a great day.